I've never done this, but electrician wants $3,200 that I don't have. So I'll figure it out. Got these washer and dryers here, some old ones that I got for free. I run a cleaning business and I'm gonna use those to wash all of our rags and supplies so I don't mix all that dirty stuff in with our personal washer. So I need to hook up an outlet right here. All finished up. Look what we got. 30 amp dryer plug here. That's working good. And now I put in this outlet here. That'll be for the washing machine.